Hello Year 4 students, it's Miss Aisha again. This video is an explanation of the spelling words of Unit 17. Please have your books ready. Thank you. Word number 1, ruby. A ruby is a precious stone and a color. An example of a sentence would be, I bought a beautiful ring with a bright ruby stone that glistens in the sunlight. Word number 2 is scarlet. Scarlet is a brilliant red color, sometimes with a slightly orange tinge. An example of a sentence would be, she wore a stunning scarlet dress to her brother's wedding party. The next word is crimson. Crimson is a deep, rich red color, inclining to purple. An example of a sentence would be, she blushed crimson with embarrassment, which means her face went a bright crimson color because she felt so embarrassed. The next word is lilac. A lilac is a flower and a color at the same time. Examples of sentences would be, she bought a bouquet of lilacs for her grandmother. Or, she painted her room a lovely lilac color. Word number 5 is violet. Violet is a flower and also a shade of purple with a bit of blue. Examples of sentences would be, we planted gorgeous violets in our garden. Or, Daria's hair is a stunning violet color. The next word is indigo. Indigo is a tropical plant of the pea family, which is used to make dark blue dye. It is also used as a color. An example of a sentence would be, he was dressed in his usual indigo jeans and white shirt. Word number 7 is sapphire. Sapphire. It's a precious stone and also a bright blue color. Examples of sentences would be, the sapphire blue of the lake shone in the sunshine. Or, her birthstone is a sapphire. The next word is azure. It's a bright blue color, like a cloudless sky. Examples of sentences would be, thin streaks of cloud trailed across an azure sky. The next word is turquoise. It's a semi-precious stone and a greenish-blue color. Examples of sentences would be, she swam in the turquoise waters of the bay. Or, she bought a very beautiful turquoise necklace. Have you ever read The Wizard of Oz? Do you remember reading about the Emerald City? Well, the Emerald City looked something like this stone. An emerald is a precious stone and a color. An example of a sentence would be, Dorothy arrived to the Emerald City to speak to Oz the Great. Or, her favorite stone is an emerald as she loves the deep green color. The next word is khaki. Khaki is a dull greenish or brownish yellow color. An example of a sentence would be, soldiers marched down the street dressed in khaki from head to toe. Our final word for today is ochre. It's a pale brownish yellow color. An example of a sentence would be, he drove us home in Baba's old ochre car. Now that you have learnt all these new words, use them in sentences of your own in your spelling copybook. Good luck, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye!